back with a new story. If you are new on my channel, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Let's begin today's story. Today's story name is Two-Headed Bird. This bird has two heads and one stomach, one body. So story name is Two-Headed Bird. Let's begin today's story. Once upon a time, there lived one bird who has two heads. This bird was living near the lake. One day, the pink head saw one fruit. The bird was hungry, so the pink head says, "Oh, yummy fruit! I saw the fruit. I want to eat it. Yummy, yummy. Yummy." The green head said, "Oh, is it delicious? Can I taste, please?" The pink head said, "No, no, 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 no. I saw this fruit first, so it's my right to eat this fruit. You can't taste it." Now the green head felt very insulting, but he didn't reply. After days passed, now this time the green head saw one fruit, but it was a poisonous fruit. So the green head said, "Yay! Today I saw the fruit. Now I will eat this fruit." The pink head bird said, "No, no, dear. This is poisonous fruit. Please don't eat this. Otherwise we will die." The green head said, "No, I saw this fruit, so it's my right to eat this fruit." After this reply, now the pink head understood. That day I did mistake. So pink head said, "Oh, sorry brother. That day I should share the fruit with you. I am so sorry. Now I understand. We should share things." Now after this, both are became happy because they both started sharing the food and everything they started sharing. So what is the moral of the story, kids? We should share good things with our friends or family. After all, sharing is caring. If you like my story, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Let's meet again next Friday. Till then, bye-bye.